Hi, it's Mike here from Michael Harraway Cars, based down in Weston-super-Mare. Just thought I'd take a minute to walk you around this 2017 67 reg Citroen Berlingo 1.6 Petrol wheelchair accessible vehicle we have with us at the moment. So it's a one-owner car, done 24,000 miles from new, ex-Motability, so it's got the full service history. It's converted by Automotive Group and has 3 seats plus space. It's the wheelchair or mobility scooter. Also has an electric winch. That's what the orange thing is there in the middle. That's all the controls for it there. And the rear's got a bifold lightweight ramp. It's nice and easy to operate. So just do that one-handed now. So it's nice and easy. Also has rear parking sensors. So the little black dot is there on the bumper. Privacy glass as well, to keep it more private and a bit cooler in the summer months. It's the third chair in the rear. Show you at the front there. So as you'd expect for a 3-year-old car, it's all nice and clean and tidy. Daytime running lights on the front, the LED ones. Just take you around, show you up the driver's side. There you go, 24,000 miles. So that's all your CD radio, your air conditioning, that's all your electric windows. 2 keys, so your electric mirrors. Traction control there as well. So there you have it. If that's of interest or you've got any further questions, then please get in touch. Either send me an email or give me a call. Thanks for watching.